How to use sketch to image on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To use this Galaxy AI picture, make sure your Z Fold 5 running the latest version One UI 6.1 Android 14. Let's see how to sketch to image work. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the gallery application. Select the any photo you want to add using the Galaxy AI. Here we select this photo. Now tap the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom middle. Now tap sketch to image. Now draw anything you want to generate in image. Now tap on a generate. Now it will automatically create the image you draw on your photo or image. Now wait until. Now you can see it will generate the create amazing drawing on my photo. So you can just draw the image you want to add on your photo background like this. Also tap on edit drawing to edit it, or tap on save copy to save copy. So it's quite helpful feature to use sketch to image on your Samsung Z Fold 5. That's it. Like it, share it.